Namaste. Today we are going to share with you a very warm, healthy and ethnic Indian dessert known as ghee ke laddu. So without wasting any time, let's begin. Welcome to Little Chef's Hut Kitchen. For this amazing recipe, we need half cup of semolina, 1 cup of gram flour and 1 cup of wheat flour. Now we have to roast it on low to medium flame till golden color appears and a nice aroma comes out of it. All the dry ingredients are properly roasted till a golden brown color. Now we have to add ghee residue or khoya or ghee mawa in it. Here I have used 2 cups of ghee khoya or ghee residue, and we have to mix it properly with the dry ingredients. Make sure that the flame should be on low. This Indian dessert is very famous in North India, and most of the people in most of the houses used to make it. It may be different in names, it may be different in colors and shapes, but the ingredients and the amazing taste always there. So do try this. Now we have to mix it very well. Don't forget to make the dry ingredients and the ghee khoya roast properly, and now take it off from the flame. When the mixture cools down completely, let us grind it to a fine powder and again put it in the same wok. For this particular recipe, make sure to use a heavy bottom wok because both the ghee khoya and the dry ingredients very quickly get burned. Now the mixture is completely grinded. We have put it in the same wok again, and now it's time to add powder sugar. Here I have used 2 cups of powder sugar. If you want, you can use crystal sugar too, or bagar or chini ka burada. Combine all the ingredients really well. Make sure that the mixture of the laddu should not be very dry, nor it should be very loose. It must hold a particular shape when you try to combine it. As the mixture of the laddu looks very dry, so I have added half cup of clarified butter in it and again saute it for 1 or 2 minutes. You can also join us in our Hindi channel Craftistic Rose World. Don't forget to join us there for new Hindi recipes. Just saute it for 1 or 2 minutes. See, the mixture looks perfect, so let it off from the flame and start making laddus. For laddu making, I have used here boiled milk. It's a half cup of milk, and just take 1 teaspoon of milk out of it and sprinkle it on one part of the mixture and start making laddus. Don't add the milk in the mixture at once because when the mixture combines with the sugar, it melts the sugar and the mixture becomes very much wet and you can't make laddus out of it. So just sprinkle 1 teaspoon of milk at a time and start making laddus. See how I am making these laddus? Just in the same way you have to make these laddus. These laddus are very rich and very much healthy, and most of the people in North India enjoy this amazing recipe. You can also mix dry fruits as per your choice in this mixture in these laddus and make it. That will definitely enhance its flavor and the richness and the nutrition of these laddus. So do try this recipe in this festive season. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to like and comment if you like our recipe and you like our video too, and don't forget to share and subscribe us. These are the ingredients that I have used in making these laddus. So do try this. Don't forget this channel. Don't forget to join us next time. And it's time to say bye. Bye bye. Happy cooking.